Have you ever wondered what XRP is and how it works? Well, you're in the right place. XRP is a digital asset, a type of cryptocurrency, but it's not like your typical Bitcoin or Ethereum. It's used for transferring value across the Ripple network, a blockchain-based platform that enables quick, low-cost international money transfers. Now here's where XRP really differs from many other cryptocurrencies. It's not mined. Yes, you heard right. XRP isn't mined. Instead, all the XRP that will ever be in existence, a whopping 100 billion, was created when the Ripple network went live. That's a whole lot of XRP, but remember, it's a finite supply. There won't be any more produced. So that's the basics of what XRP is, but what makes it stand out from other cryptocurrencies? Stick around to find out. Trust me, you're going to want to hear this. One of the key selling points of XRP is its speed. Indeed, the velocity at which XRP moves is nothing short of impressive. In the world of cryptocurrencies, time is more than just money. It's the difference between a successful transaction and a missed opportunity. Unlike other cryptocurrencies that can take minutes or even hours to settle, XRP transactions are lightning fast, settling in just a few seconds. Imagine the possibilities that such speed opens up. Immediate transfers, no waiting for confirmations. Just a smooth, swift transaction that's as quick as flipping a switch. But speed alone isn't the only feather in XRP's cap. Let's talk about scalability. In the digital realm, the ability to scale up operations without compromising performance is crucial. And this is another area where XRP shines brightly. With the capacity to handle up to 1,500 transactions per second, XRP stands head and shoulders above many cryptocurrencies. This kind of scalability makes XRP not just a viable option, but an ideal one for large-scale financial institutions. It's like having a highway with 1,500 lanes, all moving at top speed with no traffic jams. That's the power of XRP's scalability. Now imagine coupling that speed and scalability with a low cost. The average transaction fee on the XRP network is just a fraction of a penny. In an industry where every cent counts, such cost-effectiveness is a game changer. In summary, XRP isn't just another cryptocurrency. It's a digital asset that offers a trifecta of benefits: speed, scalability, and low cost. It's a fast, efficient, and cost-effective way to transfer value across the globe. Whether you're a financial institution handling millions of transactions or an individual looking for a quick and easy way to transfer value, XRP has got you covered. But that's not all. There's more to XRP than just speed and scalability. Stay tuned to discover what else this remarkable digital asset has to offer. Another key selling point of XRP is its low cost. Let's talk numbers for a moment. The average transaction fee on the XRP network is just a fraction of a penny. Yes, you heard that right, a fraction of a penny. Now compare this with other cryptocurrencies, where transaction fees can often amount to a few dollars. That's a stark contrast, isn't it? This low cost is a game changer for both large-scale financial institutions and individuals alike. Think about it. If you're a bank processing thousands of transactions per day, those fees add up, and fast. Similarly, if you're an individual, every penny saved is a penny earned. The cost-effectiveness of XRP isn't just about low transaction fees. It's about making value transfer more efficient, more accessible, and more equitable for everyone, everywhere. So with its speed, scalability, and low cost, XRP offers a unique package. So to sum it up, there's a lot to appreciate about XRP. This digital asset came into being when the Ripple network went live, with a finite supply of 100 billion XRP tokens created all at once. This is a stark contrast to other cryptocurrencies, which are mined over time. But what truly sets XRP apart is its speed. Transactions settle in mere seconds, outpacing other cryptocurrencies that can take significantly longer. On top of this, XRP is also remarkably scalable. It can handle up to 1,500 transactions per second, making it a prime choice for large-scale financial institutions seeking efficiency and reliability. And let's not forget about cost-effectiveness. With average transaction fees that are mere fractions of a penny, XRP is a cost-friendly option in the crypto world. Whether you're a financial institution or an individual, XRP has something to offer everyone. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of XRP.